chicken noodle soup we already eat. Georgi also watch video. Georgi, you can reply in comment if you can, because I can reply. I hold my camera. In Kokomas, not so many people. Time now. Where? Time. Midnight now, midnight. I think this video will not allowed on YouTube because music. Good music, but Roxette. Oh, emergency, alarm. You have your phone? Rainfall warning. Zambales, Bataan, Pampanga. Yes, not okay. Georgi, some subscriber asking, do you every day in billiard? Every day in billiard, yeah? You're going to billiard in different places always. What better for you?
I think I need how many players. If not many, I can stay and wait my turn and play. I have three places. It's Western Fields, Miko Place, and Live Presto Bar. So usually I look where how many players and choose where maybe 2, 3, 4 players.
How long time you stay? Until morning maybe?
It depends how I play. If I play good this evening, I can stay
a long time.
Usually it's okay. Usually 2 times lose. If I lose 2 times, I pay and go. Usually 2 times.
Shaira going to with your family, with relatives to Isan restaurant and photo mime, you know, print picture. And she take another camera. She will take another camera. So I already take video in my camera, and Shaira will take video in another camera, so I will upload two video. Also, I create a group in the Facebook, and I upload already video from walking street just now. Oh, sorry guys, I cannot read because I not take my glasses. That's why I cannot read what you write. Georgi, if you can reply to comment if you can. Someone asking about lady who sell gums. She sell same. You can see her now. Also her sister also sell here in the walking street. I don't know, maybe I have some money give to her. Georgi, can you say to her? I don't know, where am I? Not easy one hand. Don't know. 50 peso. Georgi, can you give to her 50 peso? No, this food. This one.
Why?
Yes, you take my umbrella. This is my umbrella. You take. Just give to her. Okay. If she go, okay. Just show to her 50 peso. How? I don't know how. She's not staring at you. Oh, good. You sell, you buy bubble gum. Give to her. Not need to buy. No, it's okay. You like? Okay, up to you. Oh. No, it's lady boys. Yes, lady boys.
I don't know how much.
I don't know. Maybe 10 peso. No, you can check in the 7-Eleven. Maybe 10 peso. Maybe 15. I don't know.
First time I buy something.
Really, first time? Okay. No, if you walk with Shaira, she always buy something in walking street for resellers. No, it's for you, Georgi. It's for you. Okay, if you like, it's okay. Guys, take a look. This is a pink umbrella. This you can see. This is her sister. It's her sister. I don't know. I want to zoom, but can. She also sell. Also made it candy. Yeah, take a look. This is lady. It's her sister.
كم مرة يسويها سنة وكتب سنة بس 40 41 اول ما اجي انا اقول لك 46 تلعب كوره هلا رجال في العالم كله لا يعني اقل ما يتبطل برقاق على الرجل عشان كده
Some comment from some guy from Houston. I've been in Houston maybe 15 years ago. Really hot. This time very hot. Sorry guys, I cannot write reply to comments because I hold my camera now. It's my first time in YouTube. Already many people in Kokomas. Take a look. Already I not take video of so many, not one time, but so many people in Kokomas already. After midnight. I cannot see. Still raining. Yes, still raining. From Monday until now, rain every day. Maybe stop. 5 minutes stop, again rain. Most of road flooded. And rain not stop. Not easy to dry clothes because wet. In the road heavy traffic sometimes. Heavy traffic. I use motor because I don't want to lose my time in the road. That's why I use motor and the raincoat. Nothing better than drink a beer and watching rain. Yes, I am agree with you. I will come back to home and I will edit video. In my video so many girls because I walk in this time don't have rain. 5 to 10 minutes don't have rain. And so many people go outside, so many girls. But I need time for edit video. Guys, I will stop already video. I will upload later video you can watch. Because already I see 24 minutes, 25 minutes. It's already a long time. You watch now because later YouTube is blocked this video because so many music Music not allowed. Thank you for watching, guys.